Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm Kaylee Kincaid, and this is my channel all about eco-friendly cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, etc. Today's video is about mopping with eco-friendly products, so if that interests you, stick around and let's get started. So, all you'll need to mop is a flat mop like this one, a flat mop pad, or a few like these, and our Sal Suds spray. I will link the video describing how to make these in the description of this video, and I will also link these supplies in the description of this video. I like this Bona Mop as opposed to some other flat mops because it's really good quality. We use mops every day for our cleaning business, and this one has never broken in comparison to a few other types that we use that have. So that's all you'll need. Let's get started.
First things first, you're going to want to vacuum or sweep your floor and then move any furniture or rugs off the floor. Then you take your mop pad, put it on your mop, spray your warm water or your Sal Suds solution, and start to mop. Some tips for this are: use just warm water or warm water in your Sal Suds mixture, and use multiple mop pads or rinse out your mop pad as it gets dirty. Spray more of your cleaning solution the dirtier the floor is. If there are things stuck to the floor, you can spray the solution, let it sit, and then mop it up. Also, start at one end of the room and mop yourself out of the room so you're not walking on what you already mopped. For wood floors, do the same exact thing, but mop with the grain of the wood so that you're causing as little streaks as possible. And that's literally it. Simple, cheap, and eco-friendly.
Thanks for watching this video, everyone. If you want more tips and tricks, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. That really helps me know what kind of content you all want to see. And please hit that red subscribe button if you feel so inclined. That supports my channel and supports me. Thanks, happy cleaning, and have a great day.